Short-term trading can be very lucrative, but it can also be risky. A short-term trade can last for as little as few minutes to as long as several days. To succeed in this strategy as a trader, you must understand the risk and rewards of each trade. You must not only know how to spot a good short-term opportunity, but also how to protect yourself. Several basic concepts must be understood and mastered for successful short-term trading. Understanding the fundamentals can mean the difference between a loss and a profitable trade. In this video, I will share the 6 strategies which will help you profit from short-term trades. So let's get into it. Rule number 1. You should intelligently place stop-loss orders. These orders are where you agree in advance with your broker that they can automatically sell your stock if the stock falls to a certain level. This imposes discipline. Now you have to be careful. You never want to place stop limit orders. These are going to let a rapidly declining market pass your order by. An arbitrary percentage down in prices related to your original cost is irrelevant. So use stop loss orders instead. Rule number 2. If you have a paper loss but you're refusing to sell because you think it will come back, ask yourself, is your outlook based on hope or concrete expectations? What's your reason? What is your rationale for why you think the stock is going to come back? If your outlook is just based on hope, you should sell. Hope is not a strategy. Rule number 3. Capitalize on year-end calendar effects. At the end of every year, sell stocks that have losses and then match those losses by taking an equal profit in the winners. These tax consequences will help you reduce your tax bill, and that matters for the market as a whole. Rule number 4. When the stock market rises 6 days in a row, which doesn't happen a lot, but when it does, sell at least one currently strong stock and then buy it back later. Most of the time, there's going to be some sort of correction coming, and you will have an opportunity to take a profit when that strong stock falls. Rule number 5. If a major brokerage firm suggests buying a stock or upgrades their recommendation on a stock, if that stock rises 2 days in a row, sell it at the end of second day. Buying that happens on second day, it's from a temporary crowd that's going to fade soon. You will have the opportunity to buy back the stock again when there's a less froth in the market. So be aware of that kind of sentiment and the impact it has on trading. Rule number 6. If a stock market crashes on a bad news, remember, this is probably not going to be a one-day crash. Institutions own a lot of stock. It's going to take them a while to sell their position. They have a lot of stock to sell. Any stock that crashes will often languish for an extended period. So if you're going to sell, you should either do it very early on in the crash or wait until the depression. Wait until somewhere between the 3rd and the 5th day. That's often a good idea. There will be a moderate rally and you will net a better price rather than selling at the end of the first day or second day or something similar. If you keep these rules in mind, you will be ready to start thinking about your own investment strategy and how it fits the trading tactics that we have talked about.